Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn something that every router owner must know, and that is how to find your router IP address in few simple steps. Trust me, by the end of this video you will feel like a network pro. Okay, so before jumping into these steps, let's talk about what is a router IP address basically. So consider it as your router's home address on the local network, and this is how all your devices are connected to the internet through router. Also, your router has a private IP address that internet users and the public IP address of the internet sees. I hope your concepts are clear. Now let's get to the fun part where I'll teach you step by step how to find your router IP address if you're using Windows 11.
Okay, so first thing first, click on the start button and type settings. Once your setting app is here, you can click open and a new window will pop up. Once the new window is here, you will see list of options on the left side of your screen, and among them click on network and internet. There you will see advanced network settings. Click here and click hardware and connection properties under more settings. Now just scroll down a little and there you'll find IPv4 default gateway. That's it. This is your router IP address that keeps your device connected to the web.
Alright, we just found the router's IP address on Windows 11 through setting option. Now what if you can find it more quicker way? For that you can use command prompt way. Using the command prompt you can find your router's IP address on Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So let's check it out.
Okay, so let's find the router IP address using command prompt. For that you simply need to type here CMD. Yes, type CMD and you will see command prompt pop up. Click open. Yes, here it is. Now type your command, which is IP configuration. Click enter and you will see your wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi. Yes, if you are connected to the Wi-Fi, this is your router IP address. But if you are connected to Ethernet, here you go. You'll find your details if you're connected to the Ethernet, but since I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, so my details are listed here.
And the video ends here. Please do give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tech tips. Also, if you have any question, drop in the comment box.